Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today thanks to Marlboro Nissan. We have the 2025 Nissan Sentra SR. This one has the SR Premium Pack, which is going to give you the sunroof, leatherette seats, 6-way power seats with 2-way power lumbar, intelligent around view monitor, 8-speaker Bose premium audio system, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors. Ooh, God, what am I doing? Heated steering wheel, Nissan Connect services. As tested price, $29,380. This one here is Atlantic Gray over the Sport, which is black with orange stitching. Very, very nice. 2-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, 149 horse, 145 pound-feet. Actually looks really, really good. I love the new SR badges they've been putting on these cars. Different wheels with the SR Premium. Just looks so good. Unless they're optional somewhere else. Nope. Alright. Give me some heat. Good amount of storage. Ooh, wow. That is a lot of storage. Mat pocket. Stay. Sunroof. The illuminated vanity mirrors. Yes. Awesome. Backup camera. Round view monitor. Without further ado, let's take this thing on the road. I actually really like this car. The steering wheel feels great, first of all. It feels very premium, especially for the price point. Good amount of power. I'm not really asking for much more. It's the first time I've gotten this light. A little bit ABS over that bump there. Seats are actually very comfortable. I do like the, even though they say leatherette, it's leather. Come on. The amount of people with dogs in their cars around here. This is like Marlboro Sudbury line. It's awesome. I love seeing all these puppies. Rides really well. Can't show it on camera, but the Bose audio system sounds phenomenal. A very sporty feeling car, and that's not just because it's an SR trim. It's just a really, I mean, it's lightweight at the end of the day, so it's gonna be funner to drive. Brake pedal feel actually really good. Let's see what we got it for turn in. Ooh, really nice. Visibility's great, I can see. Drop this visor. Good old Acadia. How's your transmission, bub? Ah! Hoa! The thing. Wah! It's the one part that's I'm not getting used to. Wow, this is actually really good. Probably a deer or two out there. play chicken with a RAV4 now. I win. Someone tells me dump truck is coming my way. Nope. Alright, we're clear. Ah, it's almost worse. I think that was Santa Claus. I don't mind that thing clearing the way around these blind corners. If I see him slam on the brakes, I know there's something coming. And if I see something hit the ditch, I know he hit something. Oh, see? Oh. Oh, yep, there we go. See? That's called using your resources. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.